Okay, matrix, nice little solid geometry, everyone's favorite. So tell me 35, so I'm going to come along here. 35, as high up as possible. Nice auxiliary view. Okay. See the middle line, okay? They tell me that that is 30 degrees, so I'm going to come through here. 60. Okay, tell me the whole thing is 64. Okay. Okay, nice and simple. Now, I'm going to bring them down here. So what they have asked, using scale 1 to 1, the given front view, the sectional top view, showing all hidden detail, and the true shape, show all hidden detail again. Okay. So I'm going to bring down here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm just doing another auxiliary view. For those that have watched my videos, you guys know I love a good auxiliary view. Okay. Again, just a very light, just drawing my hexagon, very, very light. There we go. Now, what I can do, 1, 2, 3, bring those through here. That one comes to there. That one comes to there. There. And there. Again, very light. Very light. Very light through there, very light through there. Okay. They told me 54 and 10, so what I am going to do here, just quickly, 54, and over here was 10. Tell me the cutting plane is called A. So if I have a look, my cutting plane doesn't touch there, so you can draw that down nice and dark. Okay, but it does touch there. So cuts there, nice and dark. Cuts there. Cuts there. Cuts through to there like that, and then cuts over there. So that part will be nice and dark. And that's going to join to there. That's going to join to there. Join, join. Okay, so that joins all through to that part there. What I am going to do, remember they asked me for hidden detail. Okay, so those are my lines going back through there. Okay, what we're also now going to do is I'm going to bring these lines nicely through, and this line is also going to be hidden detail. So I've got hidden detail going there, and hidden detail coming here. Okay. So I've just got the back of that hexagon and that part coming through. Now I'm going to come and do my triangle. Okay, so they tell me that the triangle is 42 and it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, so my triangle is 42. Now a lot of students are going to battle drawing your triangle. So especially this is if you are battling, so just to help you a little bit. So what I've done, drawn a triangle, 42. Okay. Now we all should know how to do this. This was grade 10. But now what's happened, we've got a triangle and an angle. So sometimes this is what throws a little bit of a curveball onto students. So look what I've done quickly. Nice and simple. Nothing. This is just to help you. So it creates my equilateral triangle. Now, already got that circle. So now, if I come along here, okay, so I'm just going to bisect basically the other circle. So as you can see, bisecting nicely. So that there is the middle. Now, close my circle, close my compass. As you can see, nice and simple, I can draw that circle. So I'm going to come along here, draw the circle, come along here, draw the circle. Okay, now check what I can do. And this is just to literally help you. Boop. So I can come along here. Boop. Come along here. Got my equilateral triangle. Okay. Hidden detail. Okay. So that part there is the back of my triangle. Now remember, my cutting plane has come through over there. Okay, so just drawing that there nicely. Coming to there. Have that triangle. Have that triangle. There. There. Just nicely through again. Okay. Now we can start to do our cutting. So cutting plane touches there and touches there, which is then right down at the bottom. So let's quickly get onto that. So I'm going to start off here. So that's where my point ends. Cuts there, and from there I take it to my point. Okay. To my point. Now I've got all my little bit of hidden detail that I can come in and put in. So come in here. Okay. Up to there's my nice little bit of hidden detail. Okay, now this part here, my hidden detail again. There's my hidden detail going through there. I can come along and hatch it when I find my 45. A little bit there. Now we're going to come onto our true shape. So this is the true shape of the hexagon. Okay, true shape of the hexagon. Now let's come along here again and we do the triangle. And there is your true shape.